Hello everyone, welcome to JSON. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to extract email data and mobile numbers in, in the files. Let's say I have a PDF here. So what I'll do is I'll just Control A and copy this and paste it into my notepad called email phone uh, directory. So this is the file I'm going to use. Okay, so this is I have created a notebook for this. So yeah, what I'll do is I have created a function called phone email list, uh, and here true means it actually uh, indicates that I am choosing the default directory path. Okay, and then contains str means here I have stored the file in a text format, right? The example file. So I'm going to use the same file. As I am having only one text file, I can use .txt in this directory. If you have multiple text files, you can copy the path and paste it here. And if you run it right, uh, let me quickly run this and show you. Yup, you can see, right? Yeah, this is the file. Data frame will be created. The first column is file name. It shows the entire file name, and the second part is the phone counts. How many phone number counts are there, and how many email counts are there, and the list of phone numbers and the list of emails. I want to see the data in the Excel format. Now it is in the data frame, right? I'm just converting it to a CSV file. Let me run this. When you run this, right, it will tell where the CSV file has been created. Uh, One second, let me show you the file. Here, you can see, right, the entire path of the file. How many mobile phone counts have been matching, how many email counts are matching, and the list of phone numbers. Okay, and then list of emails. You can see, right? I want to complicate this. Okay, what I'll do is I'll just delete, I'll just move this to here, and I have segregated this data, whatever we have in the PDF file, that I just segregated that into 7 different text files. Okay, I have a data in different files. Now I instead of running it every time and concatenating it, right, what I did was currently these text files have some extension, right, some contains, right. I currently the data is only present on the text files, right. So what I'll do is I'll keep it as .txt. In case if you have some specific thing, you can even put it as example phone email directory as well, even though that will work. Okay, it doesn't mean any prefix or suffix, it just contains value. I'll rerun this again. Let me rerun this. Now you see, I'll delete this head part and rerun. So now you're seeing 0 to 6. So that means I have 7 files, and each file shows and how many phone records are there, how many email records are there, and the list of phones and emails. So if you want to import this as well into CSV, we can do that. I'll just run this. So now the file has been created. I'll show you how the file looks in the CSV format. So if you see right, the file path name and the list of phone numbers and a list of email IDs. This is how the files will be created. It's just a simple function which solves a lot of queries. Currently, happens. The data reads from the text file. In future, what I'm planning to do is I'll directly point the PDF file, and then we can get these kind of data. I hope you like the video, and if you give us 100 likes, I'll share the code with you and explain how I did that. Thank you.